my name is Edie and I'm the senior designer here at Agape Construction. And today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable outdoor pillow out of items that you wouldn't think to use. For this project, for this pillow, I used a vinyl tablecloth and some ribbon. I used some hand towels and some ribbon on this one. You'll need some stuffing to stuff your pillow, of course your ribbon, and then you'll want to get some fabric glue sticks for your glue gun. Step one, we're going to take our vinyl tablecloth and we're going to cut it to the size of the pillow that we want. In this instance, I did about a 14 by 14 inch pillow, and then you're going to put the two pieces together back to back. And if you want to add a little ribbon and trim like I did on this pillow, you're going to take the trim, put it in between the pieces, and then glue it that way, and keep going all the way around and glue all three sides, leaving the fourth open. Okay, step two, now that my pillow's glued, we're going to take the pillow fabric and we're going to turn it inside out so we have the outside of the pillow showing. And then we're just going to take our batting and stuff it to the fullness that we want our pillow to be. The last and final step would be to glue the fourth side together, and then you have your adorable cute little pillow for your front porch.